I'm Darren Kall, and today I'm visiting Sparkbox in Dayton, Ohio. I'm going to be back here on May 19th to give a workshop in their training room as part of the Build Right Maker Series. Check it out on buildright.io. I believe that all developers and all designers should be having direct contact with real customers and real users. The insights that you gather from that kind of connection will help you make better design decisions and to create better experiences. In the workshop, you'll get hands-on practice with 4 techniques that I've chosen from UX that will help you make the most of that connection with customers and users. You'll see that the techniques are easy to understand and that they're the kind of things that you can implement the very next day. Besides the time that we'll have talking about UX in the workshop, there's 2 chances for us to just hang out and chat. One is over lunch, and the other is in a party after the workshop. So please, if you're signing up for the workshop, plan on staying for the party. See you in May.